Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with an easy and delicious whole wheat fruit cake recipe. We are using a different method to make this cake. So let us see how to make this delicious cake. Here I have taken 200 grams of atta or whole wheat flour. Into this let us add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of milk powder. The milk powder and corn flour will increase the softness of our wheat cake. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and mix it well with a whisk. Or you can even sieve it and mix it. Into this, let us add 100 grams of butter. In this recipe, we are using the rub-in method. We are not creaming the butter and sugar. We'll just rub in the butter into the flour so that each particle of the flour gets coated with the butter. Rub in till all the butter is mixed with the flour and it becomes a sand consistency. Into this, we'll add 150 grams of powdered sugar. Mix it well. I'm using 1 teaspoon of spice powder. This is a mix of cloves, cinnamon and nutmeg taken in equal quantities. Mix it well. Instead of spice powder, the whole spices can be powdered with sugar. Now into this we'll add 150 grams of mixed fruit. You can use any fruits of your choice. Here I am using soaked fruit because that's what I had. You can use soaked fruits, or you can even soak fruits in a little fruit juice and keep it for some time and then use it. Or you can even use fruits as such. Here I have taken 2 eggs and into that a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence I have added, and I am just beating it with the blender. Hand whisk can be used. The egg has to be beaten well, that's it. And now we'll pour it into the flour mixture. And then let us add half cup of milk also into the flour mixture and just use a spatula and mix it well. That's all, and the cake batter is ready. Just mix it well so that there is no dry flour left. And that's all, our mixing is done. So it is such an easy recipe, no creaming of butter, sugar and all. Just mix everything, mix the dry ingredients and add the wet ingredients into it, and it is done. If you're new to my channel and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Press the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos. Here I have taken a 7-inch cake tin, greased and dusted with flour. I have also lined the bottom with butter paper. We'll transfer the batter into the cake tin and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. Now the cake is beautifully baked. The knife inserted has come out clean. Let the cake cool down and then remove it from the pan. You can make required variations while making this cake. You can add nuts if you require, and also increase the quantity of fruits. You can also add caramel syrup instead of adding milk. The same quantity of caramel syrup can be used if required. Now let us slice the cake. It has come out so soft and spongy, and the cake is very delicious. If you liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Would love to see your suggestions and comments about the video in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.